Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shivakant Pathak, available with you to see one important topic, that is meter bridge. In this meter bridge, we will see what is this, how it works, and on what principle it based. Wherever children written METER, meter indicates device or instrument. Meter means in the physics instrument or device. So we may write meter bridge is device. This device used to measure resistance of conductor. So it is used to measure the resistance of wire, conductor wire. So device, it is instrument. This is device or instrument used to measure resistance of wire, and it works on principle of Wheatstone bridge. On what principle it's work? On the principle of Wheatstone bridge, in which four resistance are connected according to the arms of parallelogram, and their resistances are in a ratio, then no current flow through the diagonal. So this is based on the principle of Wheatstone bridge, right? Here the total circuit diagram you can see here with the diagram. So let's see with me the whole diagram. Here is 1 meter wire. One meter wire mounted on a meter scale. This wire, thin wire, 1 meter wire mounted on a meter scale, provided two terminals for a connection. From here, this terminal, see carefully, it is connected with a copper strip. In this copper strip, there is one terminal provided here. Thereafter, here is opening. Between this opening, one copper strip is also fixed on wooden frame. Provided 3 terminal here, 2 at end at 1 at the middle, then again opening, upper terminal, here one terminal is provided here and another terminal is here. So 1 meter wire mounted on a meter scale, right? So this is the total from terminal A to terminal B. This total is 100 centimeter or 1 meter. 1 meter wire mounted on a meter scale. So meter bridge, 1 meter wire mounted on a meter scale, provided terminals and 2 open terminals. Between first open terminal, there is connected resistance box is connected, and between second open terminal, a specimen wire is connected whose resistance is required to determined by S. So 2 terminals are here. See very carefully. From this open terminal, see, by a conductor wire. It is connected with the positive of a cell, negative of a cell is connected with this is cell, then it is connected with key here, thereafter it is connected with rheostat. It is connected with rheostat, then it goes here at point B. Now see, from this terminal here, this is denoted at point D here, connected with a connector wire with galvanometer. This galvanometer, there another ends is connected with here jockey, here in this case, right? This is the circuit diagram, right? Now see carefully in it to understand it. To understand it, see carefully. This is wire connected with here in it. Now see the diagram. First of all, see here, since it is based on the Wheatstone bridge, so Wheatstone principle is Wheatstone principle. If four resistance connected according to the arm of parallelogram, then if their ratio, if these resistances are P, Q, R and S, then P ratio Q if is equal to R ratio S, then no deflection though this is called balance condition of bridge, and here in this no deflection in galvanometer, deflection in galvanometer. Here this is. Now see, compare with this four resistances. Here in this one resistance is in the resistance box. Second is the shunt. Here, if jockey we are touching here, let it is at L length from here. Since total is 100 centimeter, so it is 100 minus L on second side. Now see, hold the situation very carefully here. This is a point, let this is point B, and this point is a C, and this point is a D, right? One resistance is here, this is P, second resistance is from jockey to here Q, let it is R, and the resistance specimen wire whose resistance is to be determined is connected here, right? Now see very carefully what is required to do. First of all, circuit arrangement is made and checking of circuit is done. Checking of circuit, how we are doing the checking of circuit, how it is working in a correct order or this. When you touch the jockey, touch the jockey, when this key is on, then we do touch the jockey near at end A, somewhere here, touch the jockey here, and see the deflection in galvanometer. See the deflection. Now do the second activity. Now touch the jockey near at end C here, somewhere here, end C, and see the deflection in galvanometer. If both deflection is opposite, then this implies that connection are correct. If deflection is on same side and no deflection, then it is required to check the connection once more. Listen very carefully. Right? Now slide the jockey in such a way that, now this is slide gently are placed step by step, moving away from me. A stage is reached when no deflection in a galvanometer. Gently slide the jockey over wire. And get position of null point. What is null point? No deflection in galvanometer. The galvanometer pointer remains at 0. Right? So this is called null point, and this null point indicates balance of bridge. Balance of bridge. So calculate by experiment this balance. While doing this, getting a balance, take out some known resistance, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm from the resistance box. Clear? Now see, resistance of AB. Resistance of wire A to B. See A to B in the diagram from to here. Is given this resistance P, it is rho L by A. This is a formula. Resistance, since resistance of our wire AB, take as a P. It is rho. What is the length here? L. Now see the resistance of wire BC in the diagram, this part. Let it is Q is equal to rho. Its length is 100 minus L by A, same area of cross section. Total is 100 centimeter wire. 1 meter wire mounted on meter scale. It is 1 meter wire mounted on meter scale, provided terminals for a connection. So here in this case, P by Q is equal to L by 100 minus L. See, this is a second equation here. Right? Now, comparing equation 1 and 2, P by Q is equal to R by S and P by Q is equal to L by 100 minus L. Then we may write L by 100 minus L is equal to R by S. So specimen wire resistance S can be obtained 100 minus L in 2S, 100 minus L in 2R by L. See here in the diagram. This is equation 3rd. By doing this experiment, knowing that by getting the balance condition, the L and 100 minus L calculated, value of resistance box is in the resistance box noted on behalf of the used formula the value of S can be calculated, right? This number of observation is made, more than one observation, more than one observation is made, and finally obtained average of the resistances, right? So while doing this experiment, certain precautions were taken. So before this, make all connection tight. So you are suggested all the connection wire, their ends you wash by the sandpaper before connecting. The solution of the cell you changed, see working or not. All the terminals of this must be cleanly washed, right? And second thing, you press the key only when you are going to take observation. Otherwise, by long flow of current in it, heat can produce, which can change the value of resistance, right? And you slide the key gently here. These are some precautions you are required to do it. By changing the value of R here in the resistance box, new positions of L and 100 minus L calculated, and their value of S is calculated. Finally, I told to you obtain the average. So this is used in the measure-based experiment. So this is for today. I hope you enjoyed well. Thank you and have a nice day.